Good afternoon, all. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, fine. So, guys, please be active in the class. Okay, don't sit and idle. Okay, so please take the notes and then you should be the active in the class. Okay, you should be trying to interact with us. Okay, fine. So, shall we start today's session with a very important concept of file handling. So, before going to start today's session, so I will revise like what we discussed in the last session. Last session we discussed about
Sir, last session we did not have any class. The class was not audible now. We
yes,
haven't
yes.
able to listen anything
Exactly.
about collection framework.
Exactly. Yes, okay, fine. Okay, so before the last class, we discussed about the oops. After that, today we are let's get into the topic. Topic name is the file handling. Very important topic, guys. File handling.
So we are not doing today collection framework.
So once we'll go with the file handling and then we'll go with the collections one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So generally, file handling is the very important concept. So in that we can I would say we can perform some operations like how to create the file and how to write the data to the file, how to read the data from the file, and how to delete the data from the file. So these are the operations you can do generally. So very important topic. So let's go with the file handling. So this is the very important area in every programming language. This is the first point I would like to write. So very important area in every programming language. Next thing is here. So with the help of file handling, so it can perform below common file operations. It can perform below common file operations. So what are the operations generally? So first one is we can create a file, and the second one is write the data into file, write the data to file, and the third operation is read the data from the file, read the data from the file, and fourth operation is delete the file, delete the file, delete the file. So these are the operations we can able to perform by using file handling. Okay, so for doing these operations, so to perform file operations, so Java JDK team they provided to us to perform above operations, to perform file operations. To perform file operations, Java language provide one predefined class, that is the Java dot file language. Java language provide one predefined class. One predefined class. The class name is Java dot io dot file. This is the package. So from that, where we have the predefined methods and all. By using predefined methods, we can perform the operations like create the file, write the data to the file, and read the data from the file. So these are all the operations you can perform by using java.io.file. Java.io.file. So, and one more the point here it is java.io package contain set of classes and interfaces. Set of classes and interfaces to perform input and output operations. To perform input and output operations. To perform input and output operations. That I will show you already. You have the Java document, right? can go with the Java document, Java SE8 Java document. In that, go with the java.io package. This is the java.io package, and simply go inside. This is the setup interfaces and classes. Java.io package contains a set of classes interface to perform input and output operations. To perform input and output operations. Okay, fine. So simply I am going inside and see this is the class. To perform file operations, JDK team they provided to us. They provide to us one predefined class, that is the file class. I am landing over that. I am going inside. This is the file class. File class parent class is the object, and these are the parents, serializable, comparable. These are the implements. These two are the interfaces, and this is the class. This is the class. Okay, so in that file class, if you go down, where we have the methods, we have the methods. Go down, go down. These are all the methods. Create new file, compare to, can write, can read, can execute. If you want to, if you want to create a file, if you want to create a file, then we have the predefined method, that is create new file. Create new file. And if you want to create any folder or any, I would say, we can have the make directory method, and get path, hash code, is absolute, is directory. Next is file, is hidden, length, list method, list files, and next make directory, creates a directory named by this abstract path name. So these are the methods, predefined methods. With the help of these methods, we can we can do some operations, like we can create the file, we can write the data to the file, and we can read the data from the file, and we can delete the file. These operations we can perform. So we'll go with a few of the methods, and then we'll discuss with those methods. So for example, create new file. Create new file is the method. What it will do generally, create new file is the method. What it will do, it is used to create new empty file. It is used to create new empty file. It is used to create new empty file. Okay, and next one is we have the method that is make directory. So I would like to take make directory method, and with that method it is used to create new empty directory. It is used to create new empty directory empty directory. Next we have the list method. So list method, which is used to, it is used to read the content of given path, which is used to read the content of given path. Read the content of given path. Content of given path. Next, next we have the delete method. It is used to delete the file or directory based on the given name. So next we have boolean and boolean delete. So which is used to this method, which is used to, it is used to delete the file. It is used to delete the file or directory based on the given name, based on the given name based on the given name. Okay, based on the given name. Next is file, to check the whether is file, uh, is file is the method. With the help of that method we can check whether it is file or not. To check whether is it is whether it is file or not, file or not. And we have the method is directory to check whether it is directory or not, whether directory is the method to check whether it is directory or not, whether it is directory or not, directory or not. So these are the few of the methods. And along with these methods, so there are some predefined methods we have. So with the help of those methods, you can perform the operations. You can perform the operations. You can perform the operations. So normally we'll go with the one by one, then we'll get the clarity on it. So generally, first we'll go with the method that is the create new file. That is the create new file. So simply what I will do, I will go with the, I will take any one of the folder. For example, I will take this folder. In this folder, I will delete all the files actually. Okay, so now I will create one file that is demo.java. This is a Java file I'm creating, and I'm giving the name as demo.java. Demo.java. Okay, click on that. Now I am going inside. This is the normal Java file, and normally you know the basic syntax: public class, and the class name is the demo. And from here to here, this is the scope of the class. And inside class, so every program execution start from the main method only. Okay, here also I'm taking main method, public static main and string main. You can take with the string args. And from here to here, this is the scope of the main method. This is the scope of the main method. Okay, so now I want to create the file. I want to create the file. So for that purpose, where the method is available in file class. So first you have to import the package statement. You have to import the package statement. You have to import the package. Package is import. I can say java.io. If you mention the file name specifically, then that is also fine. Or else you can mention star. Star meaning whatever the classes are available under IO package, then you can able to access all the classes. Then you can able to access all the classes. You can able to access all the classes. Okay. Now I want to create the file. So for creating the file, so first you can create the object for the predefined class. The predefined class is the file, and F is the predefined class name, and file, new file. So I am with that I am making the relation between two classes, a demo class and file class. And here I want to create the file. That the file name I would like to mention like some krishna.txt. This is the file name I would like to create. And for that we have the method, right? That is f dot the method name. The method name is, if you go with the document, there we have the method that is the create a new file. This is the method. So simply you can come here, create a new file, and new file. So the method got created, and you can check the time, like the I would say the file created or not, you can check by using like I would say I'm mentioning some name is f status equal to, I'm mentioning boolean. And I would like to take system.out.println, system.out.println, and here I would like to mention f status, f status. Now I am saving this file. I'm saving this file. Now I will go to my the file location wherever it is available. I am going there. I'm opening cmd. I'm opening cmd. Okay, now I am running that one, java c, and then the file name is, I would say, demo.java. So the file has public static void main, right? So we write for const void. Can come here. File name. Yeah, it is throwing the exception. Then you should throw the exception. Throws exception. IO exception. Save the file. Now can come here. So it is throwing the IO exception, meaning you should import the IO exception as well. So for importing the IO exception, what you can do, import java dot io dot IO exception. IO exception. Save the file. Now you can come here and again run the file. Java c demo.java. Java c demo.java. Okay. Now where we are, here I will open the command prompt once again and reduce the size. Java c demo.java, and the file has successfully compiled. Now you can see the magic. If I click on Java and demo, now you can see the magic. File has created. File has created. Meaning, so we are creating the files by using the Java program. So with the help of Java programs in file handling, we can perform these operations. Meaning you can create the files, you can delete the files, and you can read the data from the files, and you can add the data into the files. These operations you can perform. These operations you can perform. Okay, fine. So for example, if I want to create one more file, you can create simply take file, and the name you can take it as the f1 and equal to new file name, and here you can mention with some raju.txt, raju.txt, and similarly the method name is f1 create new file, f1 create new file, and this file again I am storing in one reference variable f1 dot status start. The data type is the boolean. The data type is the boolean. So again I would like to take SOP statement. In that I can mention f1 status. In that I can mention f1 status. So system dot out dot println, out dot println. Then here I would like to mention f1 dot status, f1 dot status. So simply I am saving this one, and then again I will go to the command prompt, open command prompt, open command prompt. Now again you can see the magic. Compile the file demo.java, demo.java, and java demo. You can see the magic. First it is false meaning. So already Krishna is created. Krishna file is created. If the file is created, it won't create a new file. Okay, if it is not, if the file is not there, then only it will create. Then only it will create. So similarly, this is with respect to file creation to the Java program. Then we'll create the directory also. So for you can take the predefined class and you can mention directory. I am mentioning as the directory new. I would say file, and again I would like to give the folder name like as my work. Okay, fine. Now here I would like to call the make a directory method. Make directory d1 dot method, and that method again I can show in d1 dot status. D1 dot status. So this is for only printing statement. You don't need any printing statement. Directly you can go there and then you can check there. For example, directly I am coming here. Here I am opening command prompt, which is generally, yeah, again Java C. Can click on Java C and compile the file. Now you can see the magic. Folder folder got created. Folder got created. Folder got created. Okay, now again if I want to create one more folder inside this folder, how could you create by using the Java program? Yes, you can create by using Java program. So for that purpose, what you can do, so again the same structure I am taking. You can mention file d2 equal to new file, and here you can mention d1. D1 will be act as a parent. D1 will be act as a parent, and inside I want to create some Java folder, and then okay, and then okay, and inside that I would like to d2 dot. If you want to create the folder, then you can mention make directory. If you want to have the folder, you can mention make directory. If you want to file, then you can mention the file, anything. So in my case I would like to mention make directory, make directory, and then you can save this file. Now you can go to the program wherever the file is available. You can go with the program. This is the test. Yeah, now go to and then run the command java c demo.java. Next demo, and now you can go inside my work. So see, folder got created. Folder got created. So like that, through the Java program, you can able to create the files, and you can able to create the folders, and you can able to delete the folders. And if the file is having any data, if the file is having any data, then those files also you can able to read. Those files also. Now if you see here, this is the empty file only, right? This is the empty file. If the file is, by using Java program, you can write the, you can pass the data. You can pass the data to the file by using Java program. By using Java program also. So I hope this is clear. Next, this is the one assignment you guys you have to do. The assignment name is, the assignment name is, I will take Yeah. First assignment, your assignment name is write a Java program to create, write a Java program to create a file and a directory. Directory is meaning folder. Directory meaning folder. Okay, you can able to create the files and you can able to create the directories. You can able to create the files and you can able to create the directories. You can able to create the directories. Okay, so this is one assignment, and next assignment is write a Java program. Write a Java program to display all files and directories in the given path. To display all directories. Directories meaning all folders. Directories and directories, to display all directories and files available in the given path. Files available in the given path. Given path. Okay, this is so far this how you can write the program that I will show you. So I will explain one more time this program. So if anyone is not clear, then they can get the clarity. So generally, so we are creating the files and we are creating the folders by using Java program. By using the Java programs. By using the Java programs. So for that, the JDK people, they provided to us some predefined component, some predefined classes. So file is the predefined classes, and you can create the file, and with that, so this is the normal Java class only, right? We don't have any connection before file class. Now we can make the connection this class and this class by creating the object for the predefined class. File is the predefined class, and simply I am creating the object for the predefined class. In that I'm mentioning the file name, whatever the file name I want to declare. I am mentioning my file name, and in the predefined class it is having some predefined methods. Generally, what is the purpose of methods? So if you pass the parameter, it can process the parameter and it can return the response. So here also what we are doing, we are passing as the this one, and we are telling to that we are calling the app create new file method. Then this method will execute and it is creating one file one file with the with name krishna.txt, with name krishna.txt. Okay, so similarly this is also the same, whatever the process is going on, and in case of this one, this is also doing the same process. This is also doing the same process, and so we are creating this file, this one, through the Java code. So similarly, if you want to create the folders, so then inside it has the make a directory method. You can use that method and it can create folder. It can create folder, and this is also same. If you want to create one more folder inside another folder, then at the time you can take parent. This is the parent. It will be act as the parent, and this will be act as the child. For example, if you have three parents, like this is the one folder, inside you want to create one more folder, and inside you want to create one more folder, then you have to follow the same structure. At that case, you can mention d, this is the d1, and this is the variable names. You can mention anything d1, and this is the d2, and this is the some Java folder or anything you want to mention or anything. At the time, what you can do, this you can mention the hierarchy. This is the parent hierarchy, and after that you can take the second parent. After that you can take the third parent, and so like that you can create one folder inside another folder, one folder inside another folder. So I hope this is clear, right? This is the one program, so the basic program. So through the Java program, we are creating the files, we are creating the folders, and we are creating the files. This is the one program. This is the one assignment. Okay, I will go with the next one. So for example, this is the directory. In this directory, I want to know, like through the programmatically, I want to know how many files are available and how many directories are available So through the programmatically, I want to know the list. I want to know the class names and file names, the folder names. I want to know how many folders are available and how many files are available in my given location. So for that, we have the predefined. This is clear. So I am removing this one. Now, as of now, this is the normal Java class. Okay, now what we will do, I want to whatever the if I give the any path, in that path I want to find out the directories and all files are available in that direction, in that directory. So first predefined class Java, I would say file, new file, and then here I want to give the directory. So directory, what directory you can give? For example, this is the directory. You can copy the directory and then go here and then you can give the path. You can give the path. So here make sure the backward slash are double. You should maintain the backward slash double. You can mention that double as the backward slashes. Okay. Okay. And then so I want to know under this path how many files are available, how many directories are available. I want to know. For that, they are provided to us. That is the method. That is the list method. List method. So list method. So what it will do generally, list method, and this list method again I am storing in one reference variable, and it is returning some string variables, right? So that is the reason I am mentioning as the array string array. And that I want to read all the things available in the array. So for that I would like to use the for each loop, and from here to here this is the scope of the for each loop. And inside I would like to mention name string name equal to string name equal to error, and inside that I would like to take SOP statement SOP statement, and then I would like to mention name. Okay, fine. I can save the file and I will go to my location. I can go to my location. Okay, fine. Now I can run the file, and see the magic. So under this directory, these many folders are available. This is the folder is available, and these many files are available. These many files are available. So how we are getting this one? We are getting this one by using. We are getting this one by using Java program. We are getting this one by using Java program. We are getting by using Java program. Okay, this is the one program you can do. You can do the practice. The assignment name is this one. Write a Java program to display all the directories and files available in the Java program. Files available in the Java program. How we can write the program? So I will tell you one more time. So simply this is the predefined class, right? This is the predefined class. So I am creating the predefined class and I am passing the path. I am passing the path. Next, in the predefined class, it is having obviously predefined methods and all, and that predefined methods I am storing in here. I'm storing. I would say with the help of these methods, whatever the files and directories are available under this location, I can easily find out by using the list method. So again, this entire thing I am storing in array variable, and this array variable data type is the string. This array variable data type is the string. So this is the for each loop. I am using the for each loop. In that it is stored all the values and it is giving one by two one to this variable name. That one by one we are printing by using the SOP statement. That we are printing by using SOP statement. That we are printing by using SOP statement. SOP statement. I hope this is clear for everyone, right? Guys, clear with these two programs or any questions?
Sir, I have a doubt in this.
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Like, sir, file creation we are doing by using program, na?
Java
Like,
program only. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
how it difference from general file creation and Java file creation? Does it has any?
No
Uh,
difference. Both are same.
okay, no difference. What
Hmm.
purpose of this using program and purpose of this, sir? Like using program file creation, is
Generally,
there is any different purpose?
yes,
Like, can
yes.
you use?
Normally, with the help of Java programs, we can do operations like we can create the data from the file and we can create the files. Okay, so going forward, what we can do by using Java programs, for example, one parent page will contain number of child pages. Okay, we can get all the pages and we can read all the pages. That kind of data we can organize by using the Java programs. So if you want to understand that concept, you have to have the foundation. This is the foundation. Like here we are programmatically through the Java program, we are creating the files and folders and all, right? This is the foundation. For if you directly go in that area, you won't understand. So you have to awareness of this the foundation.
Okay, sir.
Creating the file and taking the file. For example, I will tell you one more example. You can get the better understanding. For example, you have the HTML file. In that HTML file, you can have the elements are like this: root and root tag open and close, root tag close. In that again, we have the hierarchy like content, and I want to close the content tag, and inside the content tag, I would like to take some more tags like Razu and Razu. So in the real-time scenarios, like if you take the JSON files or if you take normal HTML files, and the data will be the elements will be organized in the format of hierarchy. Hierarchy. In that hierarchy, you want to know like this is the parent, how many child nodes are available, and if you want to update any data, for example, if you pass here like Raju ID equal to some 200. If you want to insert the data, how we can insert that attributes you can insert by using the Java program. Like this is the parent, and under the parent, how many child elements are available. We can find out the Java program, and we can insert the data. You can insert the attributes, and we can delete the elements. Like that, you can perform the operations by using Java program. By using Java program.
Like it's help to copy the data from one file to another and initialize it later on.
Sorry, I'm not clear.
It's help to copy the data. This foundation thing, it helps to copy the data from another file to file.
No, we won't copy one file to another file. We are taking hierarchy. We can find out the hierarchy, which is the parent. Under the parent, how many childs are available, and in that childs, if you want to add any attributes, and if you want to delete any child nodes, so that kind of operations you can perform
Okay, okay, sir, understood.
on the file. For example, these elements also we can pass like through the programmatically also we can write the programs. I would say through the Java program we can write the data into the files, that we have some predefined methods. So gradually you can get the clarity on it. Okay. So as of now, you can able to understand how to create the files and how to create the folders how to create the files and how to create the folders, and if you pass any directory, and how many files are available, how many directors are available, how you can find out that, then you can write the Java program for those two. One is file handling. These are the two programs. Write a Java program to create a file and directory. And next one is write a Java program to display all directories and files available in the given path. And files available in the given path. This is the two things. This is the two things.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, hi.
Sir, actually, in a program, there is a throws IOE exception, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
why that IOE exception?
That exception, for example, that program, some if any access in future, that exception might be comes like input and output exception. So you have to throw that exception, that you have to mention, meaning that due to that exception, you might be face any other issues. So if you want to avoid that one, then you have to throw that exception, IO exception, input and output exception.
Okay. Okay, sir. Instead of that, can we use a try and catch blocks?
Yes, try and catch block. We can use that one, and
Okay.
instead of that one, also can use the parent of exception. IO exception is the child, so that parent is the exception. You can use that one also. That we
Oh,
have the exceptions. So at the time, you can will go. You can get the clarity. So as of now, you can uh, throw the exception. I will throw IO exception.
okay, sir. And is there any methods and the things to manipulate inside the data inside the file?
Yes, yes, we have the methods. So that we are discussing.
Okay,
We
sir.
can
Okay.
we can we can add the data to the file, and then
Mm-hmm.
we can
Okay.
delete the data to the file. So these things we can do.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So any other questions, anyone?
So we have a small concern.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Is there any possibility to extend the class for an extra hour?
Today.
Not today. Actually, as we discussed earlier, the course will be the Java course will be on 45 days, and the AEM will be on 45 days.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's been more than 1.5 month. So we are still in Java. So like is it possible to extend one more extra hour to complete the syllabus as soon as possible?
Yes, yes, yes. We'll conduct on Saturdays also, and then so we'll complete the syllabus as soon.
Yes, yes, sir. I do have the same doubt. Like
I,
as we are
uh,
nearing to 2 months now, we still have been ending up in Java only.
yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Actually, in the last week and before last week, we got some holidays and all right. So
Yeah,
that is
yeah,
the
yeah.
reason. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. It will otherwise it will take more than say after it will end up in completing in January. It seems. I think
Mm,
so.
mm, mm, mm,
All
mm.
things. It is too late. Actually, generally they said management said earlier 45 days each course. Thereafter, you can get into the process of
Yes,
recruitment
yes.
so and so and to get generally we have a rough idea now while we talking to the management. Maybe we may get into allocated in around in the end of the month of January. Maybe
Mm,
I think it will be extend around extra 1 month February.
mm,
I
mm,
think
mm,
so.
mm,
Like
mm.
we are going bit too slow. I think so. Not in terms of time.
Yes, yes. Actually, last week we got the holidays, and before that also, before week also got the holidays. I think so.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, we have some much
Take extra hours,
any
and then as soon we'll try to complete the
trying to
scenes.
complete. Yeah, we have some responsibilities, so and so on. That's why there was little concern to ask you from much time.
Yeah, yeah,
After she raised, I thought to ask now.
yeah, yeah. Got it. Yeah,
Yeah, do as soon as possible. So
yeah.
as we are, yeah, we are able to understand clearly what you're saying, but trying to complete on time is better too for us.
Okay. Yeah,
Like
yeah.
we
Got
have
it.
other
Yeah,
things to do as well.
yeah, yeah. Got it.
Thank you, sir. By
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, fine. So I hope this is clear, right? So now uh, we have the input streams. So through that input streams, for example, I will tell you one more. I will take MS Paint, and then I will try to explain. Right, the triple line and eight. Okay, so this is the Java program. You can assume this is the Java program, and in that, okay, this is the Java program, and there we have the file. There we have the file. This is the Java file. The file, like whatever the files we created, you can mention any file. And the requirement is to perform an operation on the file. We need we need input and output streams. Input and output streams. For example, if you want to add the data, if you want to delete the data from, so there, this is the Java program. You can assume this is the Java program. This is the Java program. This is the Java program, and there we have the pipeline. In between pipeline to the Java program, and the next thing is this is the normal file actually. The files, whatever the files we created, this is the file actually. This is the file, and the mediator. This is the pipeline. This we will use as a input and output streams. Through that, we can add the data into the files. Add the data into the files. Add the data into the files. So input streams, whatever the data we are adding, that we can add by using in the byte streams and the character streams. So for the character streams, we will use the some methods and all that I will show you the programmatically. You can get the clarity on it. So for example, so for example, if I give the assignment like this, write a Java program to write the data to the file using file writer class. Write Java program, write Java program to write the data to file using file writer class. File writer class. Then how you can write. So for that purpose, so I will go to the file, and then I will show you how we can write the data into the file. For example, if I go with the file text, and Raju is the text, you can assume. In the text there is nothing here, there is nothing here, right? Okay, so I will go with Java program demo.java, and in that demo.java, this is the scope of demo.java. Okay, so for writing the data, we have the file writer class. We have the file writer class. File writer, I can say file writer class. File writer class is also available in java.io package. So if you no need to mention the specific class, you can use java dot star meaning whatever the classes and interfaces are available under this package, then can able to achieve. We can able to achieve all the predefined classes and available classes and the predefined interfaces available under this package. Under this package, so file writer, and then I am mentioning fw equal to, I would like to mention new file writer, and then the file, whatever the file I want to add the data, so I would like to mention some raju.txt, raju.txt, and in that there we have the methods, predefined methods under this file writer. For example, if you want to add the characters, then we have uh, writer method. How the writer method, in that by with the help of writer method, we can able to add only single characters, single character that I will show you. For example, uh, so directly if you write, it won't go the directly. So there we have the pipeline, right? In that, so you have to forcefully send the data into the Java file. So that is the reason we have the method, that is the fw push method, flush method. With the method, with the help of this method, what it method it will do, it is used to send the data forcibly from Java program to file, from Java program to file. So this character is available where, this character is available in Java program. Flush is the method which is used to send the data forcefully from Java file to, from Java file to this file, Java file to this file. Okay. Next one is recommended to close, writer method. Recommended to close this object by using close method. Close method. Now you can save the file, and you can go to the location. You can go to the location and give the command cmd, and next we can have the javac and demo.java, and you can compile the file, and you can run the file. Find the symbol, you can come here, the file writer method, and the method is file writer, and so this we can remove this one, meaning whatever the packages and interfaces available under this package, we are accessing, we are successfully accessing. Now public static void main, file writer is the method which is coming from java.io package, java.io package, that I will check. Yes, file writer, this is the class, this is the class. Okay, it's fine. File writer, predefined class, I'm storing fw, and writer is the method. This writer method is available in this new file, in this class only this method is available, fw dot flush method. And you can come here now again, again can go to the file location, you can open cmd, I can say javac demo.java, and fw type of file, variable fw type of file writer can come here. This is the predefined class which is available in java.io package, and we are making the connection between file writer and demo class, and this is the method file writer method. Okay, we can go with that, and then this is the file writer class. We can go here inside. These all the methods, file writer and file write method. IO exception, pro IO exception. These all the methods. Then you can take write method, and for example here you can pass hello. You can pass hello everyone. This is the string data, and then you can pass it as the new file writer, and the document name is this one we are mentioning, and fw dot write, and then here I am passing, if it is pass with the string format. You can save the file. Now you can go to the location, run Java program, and Java C, and I can say demo.java, compile the file. So file has successfully compiled. Now I can say demo Java demo. Now you can go to the file, open the raju.txt. So see, hello everyone. Hello everyone. So for example, if I want to send the multiple lines, for example, the same program I am going with that demo program, and here I can copy the statement, and I am pasting here, and here I would like to mention hello hi, and like that I want to mention hi. So simply I am mentioning hi. Okay, the same thing. You can save this one. Again, you can go to their file location, open command prompt, run the program Java C, and you can say demo.java, and Java demo. Now you can go that file, raju.txt. Now see, all are coming in single line. All are coming in single line, but I don't want single line. I don't want to single line. So the every line I want to represent in single line. All are coming in single line. So I don't want to represent all in single line. I want to represent in multiple lines. Then for that, you can use in the program, you can use that is fw dot write method, fw dot write. Here you can mention So like that you can mention, then it will be displayed in new line. It will be displayed in new line. Then it will be displayed in new line. So that is fine. Now you can save the file. Now again you can compile and again you can run the file. CMD and then Java C, and I can say demo.java. Next Java and demo. Okay, now we can go to the file razu.txt, and all the statements which are coming in different lines, which are coming in differently. So this is the generally the basic overview of, like, I would say, uh, how to create the files and how to create the folders and how to add the data into the files. And okay, so what you can do, you guys can do the assignments on these three areas. Write a Java program to create the file and directory. That is one assignment. And next one is write a Java program to display all directories and files available in the given path. And third one is write a Java program to write the data to the file using the file writer class. File writer class. So file writer is the predefined class. If you go with that, there you have the methods, that is the file writer. File writer is the method which is used to write only single character. If you want to write the multiple characters, then you can go with the file write method. File writer is the only single method. File write is the method which is used to write multiple, a group of statements. You can write a group of statements. If you want to write a group of statements, then we can go with file writer. Then we can go with file writer. So I hope this is clear, right? So through that, we can get the clarity. So how to create the files, how to delete the, how to create the directories, and I would say how to add the data from Java program to file. So these are the things. Okay, please do the assignments on these things. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Hi.
Sir, if we want to delete the data inside the file, is it possible to delete the data by writing the program?
Yes, we can delete by writing the program. That
Can you please explain it?
that we can do in tomorrow session.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
And one more thing, sir.
Yes.
Um, in a program, there is a flush method. Is there? Can you please explain one more time what is the purpose of the flush?
This is the pipeline, right? This is the pipeline. This
Okay.
pipeline, for example, you write the program here. In that,
Okay.
writer is the method which is used to some text you have written inside, right? So that text, the data is available here only. So this data, if you want to push from here to here, and push is the method, it is helpful to push the data from Java program to this file forcefully, to send the data from Java program to file forcefully. So it will push the data from Java program to this file. Flush is
Okay.
the method.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Guys, can you please share your names?